Oh man, I almost forgot what it was like to open up plastic packs. Man, it's been so long since I've seen these cards. I don't even know, how's the pack construction? Okay, so we have foil, ironhide plate, rare token. Okay. All right. Order up. Open the capsule out. Yeah, scream it. You just scream it into existence, right? All right, foil, belittle blue, gallantry gold, consuming unhallowed, rares token. I kind of it's kind of, I wish it wasn't the same hero, but I'm not also going to complain about it either. Captain's Call, plow through. I don't even remember the box breakdown for Monarch. Is it like, are we looking for like 6 Majestics, I think? Seeping Shadows, Hooves, Plow Through, Phantasmify, Prism, our latest LL hero. Into the Hall of Fame she goes. Marvel hero is a Marvel hero. That is correct. Surging Militia, Foil, Dream Weavers, Dimensional. Missed that card. Used to play that in Chain before Seeds got banned. It was actually a really powerful tool to beat Fatigue if you found it early enough. And then Seeds got yeeted out of existence. Yanti, Abbenfold, Invigorating. Yeah, our first Majestic is a Tome of Torment. No one cares about the equipment. A token. Still kind of riding that high on that Marvel. Just nuts. All right, let's see. Tear limb from limb. Ooh, foil Majestic. I thought that was very nice. This goes there. Glisten, Vexing, Hatchet. Ooh, red belittle foil. That's a playable card. Trimmer, pulping. It's kind of nice to open up an older set. It's been a very long time since we opened up some sets older than Everfest, I guess. Since the channel started on Everfest, I guess. Yes. Back in the day, we used to open up all kinds of stuff, but Herald of Tenacity. Oh, wait, that goes there. What am I doing? Oh, yeah, that's Endless Maw, Valiant Thrust, and a Cracked Bauble. That's okay, Jason, because, like, at least 50% of these cards are literally not playable anymore. With Chain and Prism being gone, it's like can't even play these cards. Some of them. Oh, there's a hit. Celestial Cataclysm foil. Majestic. I think it's, I mean, it's still a hit. I'm calling it a hit. Seeping. I don't know even what a... Jeez, that feels like so many cards. I have not opened the Footsteps yet. Levia. Is it Levia or Levia? I always say Levia. Save that for the LL format. Yes. We are, until they made changes to the Living Legends points, we were screaming towards that format. At a very rapid pace. Ooh, Exude Confidence, very playable. Majestic. Some really decent Majestics so far in this box. Herald of Ravages. Ironhide helmets. Oh man, another playable Majestic. Sonata? Not bad. Kind of like the card tilts me off the planet sometimes. It's like, oh, you miss and it's so bad. Rainbow foil, Ironhide gauntlets, Gallantry gold, Outmuscle, Herald of Triumph, Sonata, foil Celestial, Cataclysm, Exude. I do love me some Exude. Foil Howl. Ether Ironweave, Herald of Triumph, Seek Horizon, Seek Enlightenment, Ironhide Plates, Outmuscle, Shadow of Blasphemate, Shadow of Blasphemate. Draw a card, then discard a random card. Huh. Shadow Brute action, huh? Got a pound for pound foil. V the Vanguard. Dang, Illumina Ascension. This box is juiced. These Majestics. Rev's out here like Neo, like dodging all the LL Majestics. Dodging them bullets. Enigma, Chimera, Blood Drop, Prismatic, Field, Captain's Call. All right, couple packs to go. Getting closer and closer. Man. Ebb and Fold. Howl. Well, you got hit. Got hit this time. Arclight Sentinel. Not playable anymore. At the moment. But there should be a new Light Illusionist at some point. Stony Wootenhog. Ether Ironweave. Soul Harvest. 4 packs? 3 packs. Alright, we still have 1 box after this as well. Yanti Yanti, Time Skippers, Parable, Seek Horizon. 3 packs. Maybe it's hiding out in the bottom packs. If not, it might be hiding out in that last box that I plan to give away soon. So stay tuned. Blue Prismatic. Out Muscle Chain. We'll likely do another retweet giveaway. Dimensional, Stubbies, Prismatic, Herald of Triumph. All right, last pack. And then we have 1 box of Uprising for Chris to open. Stony Wootenhog, Nourishing Emptiness, another very playable Majestic. All right, no legendary. Let's clean this up. It's time. Fortunately, no luck on the footsteps, but you did get a good handful of Majestics here. Got yourself a Nourishing, an Arclight, Lumina, Blasphemate, Sonata, Exude, Foil Cataclysm, Foil Tear Limb from Limb, and a Tome of Torment to finish it off.